Make Money Online 2023. Discover the secrets to online wealth. Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that's going to change your financial game in 2023. We're diving deep into the world of making money online and uncovering the secrets to online wealth. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future, stay tuned. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on how to make money online. Alright, let's jump right into it. In 2023, there's a world of opportunities waiting for those who are willing to seize them. Let's take a closer look at some of these secret money-making methods. First up, we have freelancing. It's one of the most accessible ways to make money online. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or virtual assistant, the demand for freelance services is skyrocketing. By leveraging your skills and marketing yourself effectively, you can secure high-paying projects and work on your own terms. Let's move on to exploring one of the most accessible ways to make money online, freelancing. There are several popular platforms where you can find freelancing opportunities, such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Let's dive into each platform and discuss how you can optimize your presence to attract clients and win projects. We begin with Upwork. Upwork is a well-established freelancing platform that connects clients with freelancers across various industries. To create a compelling profile on Upwork, start by choosing a professional profile picture that reflects your expertise. Then, craft a clear and concise headline that highlights your key skills or services. On Upwork, write a compelling profile description, focusing on showcasing your expertise, experience, and unique selling points. In addition to a captivating profile, it's crucial to showcase your portfolio on Upwork. Include your best work samples that demonstrate your skills and expertise. If you don't have any previous clients or projects, consider creating sample work to showcase your abilities. Now let's move on to Fiverr. Fiverr is a popular platform known for its gig-based approach. To create a compelling profile on Fiverr, you'll need to focus on creating attractive gig offerings. Start by selecting a clear and catchy gig title that highlights your main service or skill. Then, craft a gig description that clearly outlines what you offer and the value you provide. Optimize your gig descriptions by including relevant keywords, offering multiple packages to cater to different client needs, and providing clear delivery timelines. On Fiverr, it's important to provide visual elements that enhance your gig's appeal. Include high-quality images or videos that showcase your previous work or samples. This visual representation can make your gig stand out from the competition. Our next platform is Freelancer. Freelancer is another platform that offers a wide range of freelancing opportunities. To create a compelling profile on Freelancer, focus on writing a captivating introduction that grabs the attention of potential clients. Highlight your expertise, qualifications, and what sets you apart from other freelancers in your field. Here you can leverage skills and certifications to showcase your proficiency and credibility. To bid on projects effectively on Freelancer, take the time to thoroughly read and understand the project requirements. Craft a personalized and tailored proposal that clearly addresses the client's needs. Showcase your relevant experience, highlight your skills, and explain how you can add value to their project. It is important to submit competitive bids as factors such as the project budget, client reviews, and project scope are considered. Remember, regardless of the freelancing platform you choose, it's important to maintain professionalism, communicate effectively with clients, and deliver high-quality work within agreed-upon timelines. Building positive relationships and receiving positive reviews will significantly enhance your chances of winning more projects and earning a higher income. By creating compelling profiles, showcasing your portfolio, and bidding on relevant projects, you can position yourself for success and start making money online through freelancing. In the next part of this video, we'll explore additional methods for generating income online in 2023. So, stay tuned. Remember, building a successful freelancing career requires patience and persistence. It's crucial to continuously update your skills, deliver high-quality work, and provide excellent customer service to establish a strong reputation in the industry. Our second method is affiliate marketing. Now that we've covered freelancing, let's move on to another powerful online money-making method: affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn a commission by promoting products or services from other companies. To succeed in affiliate marketing in 2023, you'll need to follow a strategic approach. Let's break down the process step by step. Affiliate marketing begins with finding profitable niches. Finding a profitable niche is crucial for your affiliate marketing success. Start by researching and identifying niche markets that have a demand for products or services. Look for niches that align with your interests, knowledge, and target audience. Conduct market research using keyword research tools, explore popular online marketplaces, and analyze industry trends. Once you've identified a profitable niche, the next step is selecting reputable affiliate programs. Choosing reliable affiliate programs is a crucial aspect of your affiliate marketing success. The programs you partner with will directly impact your reputation, earnings, and overall credibility as an affiliate marketer. Let's discuss why it's important to select affiliate programs that offer high-quality products or services, competitive commission rates, and good track records. It is important to promote high-quality products or services. When you promote affiliate products or services, you become an advocate for those offerings. It's essential to align yourself with programs that provide high-quality products or services that genuinely benefit your audience. By promoting valuable and reliable offerings, you build trust and credibility with your audience. Promoting subpar products can damage your reputation and audience trust. Choose affiliate programs that offer products or services that you have personally used or thoroughly researched. Ensure that the products align with the needs and interests of your target audience. This way, you can genuinely vouch for the quality and effectiveness of the offerings you promote. Now let's discuss the importance of competitive commission rates. Host. As an affiliate marketer, your goal is to earn a commission for each successful referral or sale. It's important to choose affiliate programs that offer competitive commission rates. Higher commission rates mean you can earn a more substantial income for your efforts. Higher commission rates can incentivize you to put in more effort and promote the products more passionately. Consider the commission structure of the affiliate program. Some programs offer a flat commission per sale, while others provide tiered commission rates based on the number of referrals or sales you generate. Evaluate the earning potential of the program and choose those that offer fair compensation for your marketing efforts. It is importance of assessing the earning potential in relation to the effort and resources you invest. Lastly, let's talk about the significance of a good track record when selecting affiliate programs. A good track record indicates the reliability and trustworthiness of the affiliate program. Look for programs that have a positive reputation within the industry and among affiliates. Check for reviews, testimonials, and online discussions about the program's payment reliability, affiliate support, and overall professionalism. A program with a good track record ensures timely and accurate payments, provides affiliate support, and maintains transparency. A reputable affiliate program will value their affiliates and provide resources, tools, and support to help you succeed. They will have clear terms and conditions, transparent reporting, and reliable tracking systems to ensure you receive accurate credit for your referrals. A program with a good track record fosters a long-term and mutually beneficial partnership. And there you have it. The importance of choosing reliable affiliate programs that offer high-quality products or services, competitive commission rates, and good track records. Partnering with trustworthy programs will enhance your credibility, earning potential, and overall success as an affiliate marketer. In the next part of this video, we'll explore additional methods for making money online in 2023. So, stay tuned. You can find affiliate programs by researching in affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, Share Asali, and Commission Junction, or by directly reaching out to companies in your niche that offer affiliate partnerships. It is important to evaluate affiliate programs, such as checking commission structures, cookie durations, payment methods, and affiliate support. With your niche and affiliate programs in place, the next step is creating engaging content to promote the products or services. It is important to create valuable and relevant content that provides solutions, educates, or entertains your audience. Consider various content formats such as blog posts, product reviews, comparison articles, tutorials, or even videos. The key is to deliver content that captures your audience's attention and builds trust. Create engaging content, including using compelling headlines, incorporating personal experiences, utilizing visuals, and including calls to action. Now that you have engaging content, it's time to drive traffic to your affiliate offers through various channels. There are different channels for driving traffic, including blogging, social media, and email marketing. Blogging can be an effective long-term strategy. Create a blog around your niche and consistently publish high-quality content. Optimize your blog posts for search engines and leverage keywords relevant to your niche to attract organic traffic. It is also important to use search engine optimization, SEO, techniques, guest posting, and engaging with your blog audience. Social media platforms are another powerful way to drive traffic. Utilize platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok to create compelling content, engage with your audience, and promote your affiliate offers. Building a social media presence by creating shareable content, utilizing relevant hashtags, and leveraging social media advertising. Additionally, don't forget the power of email marketing. Build an email list by offering valuable content or freebies to your audience. Then, nurture your subscribers by sending regular emails with helpful information and promoting your affiliate offers strategically. Create effective email marketing strategy, utilizing automation tools, and personalizing your email campaigns. And there you have it, the process of finding profitable niches, selecting reputable affiliate programs, creating engaging content, and driving traffic through various channels like blogging, social media, and email marketing. It's important to focus on building trust with your audience and providing valuable content that aligns with their interests and needs. By establishing yourself as an authority in your niche and leveraging the power of affiliate marketing, you can unlock significant income potential. By following these steps, you can start generating income through affiliate marketing in 2023. In our next video, we'll explore additional methods for making money online. So, stay tuned. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more of such